Yo, what's up guys? Teacher Paul over here. Hello Malaysia. Today we're gonna react to AJL, Azlan and The Typewriter. Let's do this. If you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Like this video. Don't forget to click that subscription and that notification bell. Let's get to 40k, huh? Help me. 40k. Let's go.
Yang memilih aku ada dirimu. Jika benar itu jangan khianati. Berjanji padaku, percaya selalu.
I thought these performances were all live, but they have some editing, also music videos. Here he comes. I think this is Azlan. Or is he the typewriter?
Punya semua harapan bersama. Sekira kau larut dalam hati, aku menanti bayangmu ini. Andai engkau nyata dalam mimpi.
So is that kid in the beginning him when he was a child? Like, is that what he's trying to say?
Aku rasa resah bila kau tiada. Hatimu mengubah sejuta rasa pedih. Yang memilih aku adalah dirimu. Jika benar itu jangan khianati. Berjanji padaku, percaya selalu. Biarkan semua mereka berkata, asal jangan pernah engkau khianati.
I love that dry voice. Yeah. I love that. I absolutely love the dry voices, the growl voices. It is so unique.
Berjanji padaku, percaya selalu. Aku bagaikan mentari jingga menghiasi cahaya kamarmu. Aku pun juga seperti rembulan menemani di saat malammu. Ku rasa resah bila kau tiada. Hatimu mengubah sejuta rasa pedih.
That voice, that rock voice, I love it. And from what I can tell, Malaysia loves rock because I've seen so many rock performances today from Malaysia and I'm so happy.
Yang memilih aku adalah dirimu. Jika benar itu jangan khianati. Berjanji padaku, percaya selalu. Biarkan semua mereka berkata, asal jangan pernah engkau Jangan khianati, berjanji padaku. Percaya selalu yang memilih aku adalah dirimu.
That voice. Wow. Mantap. That was nice, guys. I really enjoyed that performance as well. Wow. This AJL is a great show. The next one that I'm going to react to is Shiha Zikir Mikmo and Luka Sikta 7 Ni Sihat AJL 35. Okay, that's the next video. Come back to watch that one. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also leave a comment saying what you thought of this performance and what you want me to react to next, okay? Peace out, keep real. Bye-bye. Take care now. See ya.